What makes polyethylene glycol 3350 so widely used? Polyethylene glycol 3350 appears in many research workflows, yet few people unpack why it performs so consistently. In this video we'll break down its mechanism and show practical ways to use polyethylene glycol 3350 more effectively in your experiments. Polyethylene glycol 3350 mechanism explained. Simply, polyethylene glycol 3350 works through a physical interaction with water. Its structure attracts and retains moisture, softening materials and adjusting hydration without chemical reactivity. This is why its behavior remains so stable and predictable across different research setups. How to use polyethylene glycol 3350 step by step. Start with a consistent liquid environment. Add polyethylene glycol 3350 slowly and allow it to hydrate fully before mixing further. This prevents clumping and ensures an even distribution, one of the most important steps for reproducible results. Polyethylene glycol 3350 practical tips for better results. For cleaner consistency, it's best to introduce polyethylene glycol 3350 into a prepared base instead of adding the liquid afterward. And yeah, try to keep your tools and containers consistent too, because even small differences can noticeably change hydration behavior, especially when you're comparing batches. Applications of polyethylene glycol 3350 across research workflows. Polyethylene glycol 3350 is commonly used in sample preparation, polymer studies, viscosity adjustment, and early formulation screening. Its predictable hydration really makes it valuable when developing delivery, prototypes, and stabilizing systems during research. BOC Sciences PEG and lipid-based solutions. If you work with polyethylene glycol 3350 or lipid-related systems, BOC Sciences offers PEG derivatives, a broad portfolio of lipid products, custom lipid synthesis, and lipid-based delivery system development. Our solutions support precise and scalable research workflows. Now you understand how polyethylene glycol 3350 works and how to use it more effectively. Follow for more insights on PEGs, lipids, and research-grade delivery technologies. There's much more ahead.